Starting in January of 2022, I decided to invest $5 a day every single day into both the stock market and another $5 a day every single day into the cryptocurrency market. And if you've been on my channel at any time in the past, you've seen my portfolio updates. I got to address a comment I got. This one's interesting. Here's what the comment says. Why not just invest $5 a day on penny stocks? You'd earn more money. Best option is gold, silver, platinum, or copper. Well, that's two different investments. One, penny stocks. The second one, gold or silver, or platinum or copper. So, okay, maybe I should do that. In fact, that's what this video is about. Why don't we simulate what the difference would be in investing $5 a day every day into those options or into what I did, which is the S&P 500, top 500 companies in America, represented by ticker symbol VOO, which is Vanguard's S&P 500 fund. We'll also put it against my Ethereum update as well, just for fun. Now, I've been investing since January 2022. So I had to do a little bit of research because I wanted to know, how do we simulate this the very best way? Because I want to make sure that we do a very good look on, hey, could we have made more money if we would have invested into penny stocks instead? Because there are times that these penny stocks will go absolutely catabolic to the moon. And are we giving up money? So for example, let's say you have a 50, 100, 200% price improvement on a penny stock. That's going to far outperform the S&P 500. Then again, there's always this whole thing about gold and silver. And from what I understand, gold's been having an absolute banger of a year over the last year. Maybe it would have been better to buy gold instead. So let's simulate it using the portfolio visualizer. There's one thing I'm a little bit stuck on. And I'm stuck on the fact that are we saying that we're buying physical gold? Because are you going out and buying gold bars and storing them in your house or something? If you are, that's expert level. And I'm just not, I'm not worthy. I'm not worthy. I'm going to have to go and simulate this against an ETF because I think that's what most people do. They buy gold or they buy silver via an ETF, exchange traded fund. You're not actually going out to a pawn shop or a gold shop or whatever the heck and buying these things and storing them in your closet. At least I don't think so. Maybe I'm wrong, but here's what we got. So instead of buying these gold bars, let's buy an ETF. Now here's the one I found. I found this one, IAUM, iShares Gold Trust Micro ETF. This is a good way to get into gold if you're interested in getting into gold and not storing the gold bars in your closet. Okay, so you know what? There's something to be said here. There's honestly something to be said here. Look at that 1 year at 30% improvement. That is some great growth over the last year, no joke. Let's take a look at the last 5 years. Last 5 years is looking good. You can see it. This one only started in June of 2021, had a kind of a fall down in 2022, and then had a great growth thereafter. So honestly, not that bad. 6 months up 12%, 1 month down 3.84%. In the last 5 days, it's down 0.57. Okay, fine. We're going to use this one as our first contender. This is the gold. So you're going to invest $5 a day into gold using the ticker symbol IAUM. Now let's talk about silver. SIVR, it's a physical silver shares ETF. Another good one though, look, 23.71% in the last year. That's some good growth. Over the last 5 years, up 77%, not bad. And 10 years, up 73%. So this silver thing is looking pretty good. It's obviously had some bad times, but it's had some good times. Cool. So that's our silver. Now, what about a penny stock? Now, this one's hard. I don't buy penny stocks. So, maybe I need to be schooled, but I was looking through this. And I wanted an actual penny stock. So I looked at this one, 66 cents. Safe and Green Holdings Corp. And look at that, 34.71%. So SGBX. All right, SGBX. I'm going to type this into Seeking Alpha. Here's our penny stock. Oh, it's actually not looking all that good. So that's the whole, okay. So, but look at this. So here's what's interesting about a penny stock. You can see some of the analysis are saying buy down here, but then in the last 5 days, that's up significantly. And then if you go to the 1 month, then it's down. So it looks like it's just having, but look at all that volume all of a sudden. Could this be an interesting thing? You could have bought it at 41 cents. It's now shot up to 67. I don't know. So like I said, penny stocks can be interesting. They can shoot up or they can do this and they're down 99%. So we're going to compare these. We're going to compare the good old SGBX to VOO. to gold, to silver. And what I'm going to use is this right here, the backtest portfolio. Now, before we get to the portfolio, we need to talk about how to actually invest. And I've been using Moomoo. It's an investing app that's really been kind of catching on with me because they offer a few extra things. Now, here's my portfolio. Currently have $305, but I plan on scaling that up significantly as I build my financial independence portfolio. No, not with penny stocks, but with ETFs, stocks, and sometimes maybe even crypto. But here's the thing. They offer zero commission trading. No longer do you have to pay somebody for commissions just to execute a trade on a stock or an ETF. Zero commissions, and they offer for free advanced charting and analysis. This is great for things like tracking ETFs, comparing performance, backtesting different strategies like we're about to. Well, you can not just do it on what I'm about to show you. You can actually do it on Moomoo now too. Check out Moomoo. Get yourself some free stocks. I mean, why not? By getting started and investing today. Check out the link in the description below, or you can scan the QR code on the screen as you see it right now. So here we are with everything plugged in. IAUM representing our gold in portfolio number 1, silver represented in portfolio 2, and SGBX represented in portfolio 3. All of this compared against VOO. Here's the settings that I have selected. From January of 2022 until December of 2024, we're going to contribute a fixed amount. And that's because that's when I started doing the $5 a day challenge. So what I had to do, though, is I had to say, wait a minute, the portfolio visualizer only allows us to invest by month. It doesn't allow us to actually invest by day. So I went to ChatGPT and I asked some questions. Number 1 question, how many days has passed between January 1st, 2022 and the day I'm recording this video, December 2nd, 2024? It, of course, as the magic of ChatGPT, spit out an answer. And then I thought, well, okay, that's great. So what I could do is I'm going to multiply $5 times how many days have passed. That's how much you would have invested all that period of time. Cool. How many months? Because we need to divide it by the amount of months in order to plug it into the portfolio visualizer. So if you divide that by the months, there's our answer. It gives us $152. That's the amount of money per month we're going to invest to simulate our $5 a day. So let's take a look here. Got to contribute fixed amount at $152 every single month. I'm going to hit Analyze Portfolios, and here is the results. Scrolling down here to the bottom. Our current value in portfolio number 1, $7,678. That's absolutely that's fantastic. Maybe I did this wrong. Maybe I should have done gold instead of, no, obviously not. Let's keep going. Portfolio 2, that's represented by silver. Here we have a total of $7,395. Again, good. By all means, I'm not being sarcastic here. These are good returns. Gold and silver have had a good return represented by these ETFs over that period of time that we're looking. So that's actually strong numbers. That's good. The penny stock didn't do well because we saw that earlier on Seeking Alpha. Your $5 a day lost you money. You lost a lot of money, in fact. You only have $738. I don't know if there's another good penny stock out there that we can test, but I would actually suggest that you do this yourself. Go over to Portfolio Visualizer, plug in whatever penny stock you think is a good one, and see how that one fared against something like VOO for whatever period of time you want to check it out. But let's take a look at VOO. My $5 a day investment is sitting at $7,910. Now, gold came dangerously close to VOO, but the point of you would have made more money investing into gold or silver or a penny stock, I don't think that's right. Even though gold got so close to say, yeah, you could have done gold and it would have been okay, it's very close. But VOO still wins. And as far as Ethereum is concerned, well, my value on that is well over $9,000. Ethereum has had an incredible run over the last couple months, and that's just the point of the video. Sure, there's a lot of different things you can invest in, but you got to come up with your own strategy. And maybe your strategy is gold. You want to invest $5 a day into gold, that's fine, but you just got to stick with it. The consistent planning of sticking with that plan and then kind of getting boring with it to say, you know what? $5 a day, $1,000 a month, $10,000 a month, whatever you can afford to invest. You stick with it and you stick with it. And then it gets boring, but then it just becomes a process. Someday you're going to wake up and look back and see that portfolio and say, wow, that was boring, but that worked. That's what's magical. Check out this video next, and we'll see you on the next video.